Hey, welcome to Gravy Flips. Boy, do I have an awesome N64 collection and a few other things to show you today. But before I get there, make sure you comment below Grand Theft Auto 3 in order to be entered into the sweepstakes to get this free sealed Fat Pack Grand Theft Auto 3 with Vice City mailed to you on my dime, and it won't cost you a thing. All you have to do is subscribe and comment the name of the game below. Today, we're going to be talking about a decent collection of 3 purchases I did, as well as game values that are going up, and which ones are in the toilet. Okay, let's get the show on the road. The first game is Armorines, which is a great game for the N64. We have Greatest Hits arcades from Midway. We have Turok, NBA Jam 2000, Tony Hawk Pro Skater 2, All-Star Baseball 2002, NBA Courtside, Micro Machines, Triple Play Baseball, Resident Evil 2, Virtual Chess 64, The Flying Assault game, another air combat game, Mission Impossible, Chopper Attack, the GoldenEye 007, NFL Blitz, Lego Racers, Sarge's Heroes, Madden 99, Sarge's Heroes 2, I played the crap out of that game, Madden, Star Wars Rogue Squadron, Command and Conquer, and then on the Switch I got Captain Toad, Super Mario Aces, Kirby and Skyrim. I got this blue Nintendo SP. Next to it I got a new 3DS XL, which are going pretty high in value right now. I got an N64 without the red expansion pack. I got a Game Boy Advance, a Game Boy Pocket. Don't see those very often, but they're pretty cool. And 4 DS games that came with the 3DS XL, the DSi Lite, the whole N64 collection, 3 PS2s, a Ape Escape game, which is worth around $30-$35 and is slowly going up in value, which is pretty cool. I got 3 PS1 consoles, Wheel of Fortune 2, and Enter the Matrix for the GameCube. Now, I paid 3 different people 3 different amounts of money for this. I gained contact from the people through Facebook Marketplace, and 2 out of the 3 messaged me through my Facebook ads that I pay to run. The 3DS XL, the new one, with the 4 games I paid $150 for, and I expect that to sell for about $300 total. The Game Boys, the DS, and all the other PS2, PS1 consoles you saw, I paid $200 for a guy that wrote me through his, or through my ads. I got to his house, and he told me that he only wanted $100 because he needed money for rent, and then his brother, who was also there, had like a bag full of consoles, and he just sold to me for $104 actually, but I'll just round it down to $100, because he also just wanted to get rid of it and needed money. And they were thankful that I drove 45 minutes one way out to them. And then the N64 bundle, the 24 games plus the console, I paid $300 for. That one's not necessarily like the most lucrative one, but I expect to make around maybe $125 on that purchase. Resident Evil 2 is a pretty valuable game, so there are some pretty good games in that N64 bundle. Now, after sitting and adding up how much I spent, I spent $650 total, and I estimate that the total revenue or profit that I would make, well, the total revenue would be $1,343, and when I subtract the $650 that I spent from that $1,343, that gives me an estimated profit of $693 when all these consoles sell or are traded for. Now, it's important to remember that these videos, I make them for to be educational, and I know some people get mad when they see people buying and reselling video games, but I want to show people these videos to show people how to source video games in 2023. You need to be creative. I made a video talking about ways to help find video games, because you can either resell them for profit, or you can resell them to buy the games that you really want for your collection. I personally am a collector. I don't look at these as just ways to make money. I have personal joy that comes out of finding cool games and replaying them. So hopefully these videos are helpful and inspiring for you to get out there and to use the methods that I show in other videos that I've made to find video games for your own collection, or to find an additional way for you to make some extra money or profit in your side hustle, so that you too can do what you want in life. Thanks so much for joining me, and this is just another quick video game haul on Gravy Flips. Have a great day.